Zombie apocalypse.
Gaminos, and hello there. Today I got something new, and that is Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. So it is not just the unboxing video, but I'm going to tell you something different because this Galaxy Buds Pro is not genuine counterfeit product I got from the Amazon. Actually, I placed an order for the Galaxy Buds, but I thought this is the refurbished unit, might be good, but this is the fake product I received. So I'm going to show how you can make it out from the original to the fake ones. So let's get started. Let's take the cover out, and here we can see the case, and within that we got the Galaxy Buds Pro. The original looks something like this. The looks of the box and everything else is just similar to this duplicate one also, but the thing here we have is, let's take out the box first. So the original comes with a nice and neat package. You can see it also comes with some kind of butter paper wrapping, so let's keep that aside. This is the case, and of course we have got the buds in here, and connect with the Samsung Galaxy Wearables app, and it will detect the buds and it will pair it as a Buds Pro. That's what we get in the package, and here we have the user manual. Okay, user manual, some stuff. I'm not going to read it. Warranty card also comes within this box. So this time I have got lavender color, so because I like this color. 2 earbuds, and what else we got here is a small box with some cables. One cable, Type-C cable we got, and some ear tips. Okay, and we can make sure the genuinity of the device with some 6 or 7 key points. So remember, when you're purchasing, make sure to check out the serial number. You can check it out, the genuinity of the product, by entering the serial number into the Samsung products website. If it shows the invalid number, then of course it is not our original product. And also you can check by looking into the product itself. So if you see look at the cable here and check out the quality of that. If by looking at itself you can make it out that it's not from a Samsung one. The Type-C cable they have given in the box is so bad and very bad, low quality one. This one, now you can see how the cable is, this is the original Samsung cable, so you can see the quality of the cable and also the length of the cable. This is really a great quality cable. Like I have shown you in that initial, the first copy product which came with some very cheap quality cable, and this also placed in neat and clean with some. Okay, anyways, I'm not going to use this for a while now. And here we have got one more small box. In this we have some ear tips. This is how the Samsung original buds actually comes. Let me take this out. Okay, before looking into the buds, I have something else. In the back side of the case, you can see some writings. You can see some serial numbers and manufacturer details, and also the model number. If you look closely, you can see that Samsung logo has some issues right there. The Samsung logo has some issues means it is not properly written. The spelling of the Samsung is not correctly printed here. That means it's a counterfeit product. So let's take out the buds. That is our first point. Second point, you have to check for the buds itself. So you can see the buds has to sit properly inside the case. This is the indicator for the buds, the battery percentage indicator for the buds, and while this indicator is for the case. These two LED lights are different, not the same one, but in the duplicate one, I have seen that the same LED placed in such a manner that it illuminates both the places. That's actually weird, and the LED also doesn't look that great. Now here we have the Samsung, and this time the Samsung in the back side of the case written properly, printed properly. It comes with the USB-C port, and this case feels heavy, and this case feels like it's made out of some kind of aluminum or something like that, but it opens so smooth and closes so firmly like that. We see the sensors. Normally the counterfeit products will definitely not going to use the original and same quality sensors used by the branded ones. So if you see closely here, the sensors are fake. You can see this. It is just a sticker, black type of sticker stuck on this earbud, and it's gone and nothing's there. Shit, it's horrible. There is no sensors for this. And last time I showed you the sensors, that infrared sensors are kind of stickers, but this time they are proper infrared sensors. They have some purpose, and this also has a noise cancelling and everything else that a Galaxy Buds Pro should have. And also even if I place these buds inside the case, it's still playing the music. Huh. Okay, now it's paused. And that is the third point. We have to check for the sensors. And the fourth one, that is, I already told you that it is still playing the music even if I place it inside the case. Actually, that should not happen. As soon as I place back inside the case, it should turn off. Still, it's not turning off. It's keep on playing the music while inside the case and draining the battery. And some fake products doesn't feature you with the wireless charging as well as the active noise cancellation. In this one here, I'm going to show you that. Here, let me turn on the wireless power share feature so that I can test the wireless charging capability of this device. Now it's asking me to place the device on the back of the phone. So I'm keeping this in the back side off, and it's showing the charging. Okay, that means it has wireless charging feature. So it's charging, and if I take it back, nothing happens. Yes, okay, wireless power sharing is paused. Okay, And thirdly, we need to check it with the app connectivity. Anyways, this wireless port, the wireless charging for these buds seems working, but we will take a look at the Galaxy wearables. Here we have Galaxy wearables app. So I open this one. It shows Galaxy Buds Pro, but when I tap connect, couldn't connect to your buds. Try again, nothing happens. So that I cannot use all these features. That means no active noise cancellation or no 360 surround audio, whatever that comes with the Galaxy Buds. So this is the fake and duplicate one, but I paid it the price of the original. As soon as I open the case, you can see it will pop up as Galaxy Buds Pro and ready to connect, and it's already connected, and also shows the percentage of the battery of the case as well as the buds. You can check it in this Galaxy wearables app also. You can activate the noise cancelling once we take out the buds. Now I need to put those earbuds inside my ear. Now I'm putting it just one, and you can see that immediately it switched between active noise cancelling and ambient sound. That means I kept it voice detect turned on, so whenever I start talking, it will automatically switches from noise cancelling to ambient sound, so that I can hear the outside sound also. I can turn on the block touch or touch and hold options, earbud settings. Here we can have some other features like 360 audio, lapse feature, double tap earbud edge, so that I can increase or decrease the volume, and all these features including the equalizer, and also shows the battery percentage. Now it's switched back to noise cancelling, because whenever stop talking for 5 seconds, it will switch back to noise cancelling automatically. That's features of the original Buds Pro, and all those things won't come with the counterfeiting, like first copy products. The sound quality is also very great, battery backup also good, but I just wanted to everyone to understand that how we people are getting cheated and normally cheated by the sellers. So please be aware while making any purchase, even online or offline stores. Verify it thoroughly, and those are the 6 key points to remember while purchasing these types of gadgets. So I also have one more tip where you can check it out on the website. If you go to samsung.com, and I will leave the link in the description in case if you want to check it out, so that you can confirm that authenticity of your product by entering the serial number in that website. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Hope you have learned something. In case you already know this, it's very good. And I will catch you in the next one. And I will see you in the next one.